Okay guys, we are all set. I got the rack flipped over, it's on the wheels, it's rolling pretty nice. It's set up pretty well. Now as you see, I got the watering system. I bought this from Reptile Basics, obviously. This is I believe it's a 4-gallon bucket. Yeah, 4-gallon Rodent reservoir. Comes with the attachment or the quick disconnect is already attached. The female part's already attached to the bucket, so you don't have to do any drilling on the bucket itself. So then I got everything else. I got 100 feet of hose, which is too much, but I got extra in case I make another rack here eventually. And I got this is where all the clips are at. I did buy a shutoff valve, which I probably won't really need, but I'm going to do it anyway. Come with a little filter, a little steel filter to attach to the reservoir. I've got little clips that will attach to the hose to hold it to the rack. The steel clips that will actually attach the brass fittings, the actual nipples, these, to the mesh. I got 6 of these. These are probably the most expensive part that I bought out of the kit, being that they're brass. And some tees. I bought some tees also. They're not all expensive. All the parts here, including the hose and here's the quick disconnect for the bucket. All the nipples cost me $100 and some change shipped to the house. And if anybody orders from Reptile Basics knows that you get anything over $100 is free shipping. So I got just over 100. I mean, I got way too many of these. I only need 6, but I got a 25 pack. I only need, I think 8 or 9 of these. I can't remember now. Tees. I bought a 25 pack. And again, the hose clamps. I bought a 25 pack. So, like I said, the only thing real expensive, I think the 100 feet of hose was like 18 bucks. I mean, even if I don't use it for another rack, I have other uses I can use it for. And then, like I said, these brass nipples were the most expensive out of the kit. So we're going to go ahead and get going on this, and of course, time lapse again. This build's been taking forever. I wanted to do it right because I wanted to make sure my rats were happy and good to go, because I've got some up here in the aquariums. Believe it or not, I just cleaned these 2 days ago. Mama's got some, they're almost crawlers now, they're pups. This mama here is going to get separated from her pups today. These male and 2 females are in here. And mama rat, there's Sugar, this is her name, she's huge, she's going to explode. I'm expecting babies from her soon. I also have 2 males and 2 females in here, which I'm going to actually separate one of the males out of here. My breeder male, Cinnamon, who's in the back there, he's going to go into the tubs over here with these 2 girls. And I have twin girls in here, which is going to go to the hooded rat in here. And one girl's there, and I believe the other twin's right there. The reason I say they're twins is because one has one black eye and one red eye. And the other one has one black eye and one red eye. So I don't know if that's a defect or what's wrong with them, but they're healthy, they're happy, and they're both girls. So I'm going to keep them. Those are going to be my breeders for the rack. So I'm rambling a little bit, so let's get into this, and I'm going to start hooking everything up and running some hoses. Alright? Oh, and nothing special on the hoses. Let me set you guys up here real quick and spin you around. Sorry about the camera work. Alright. Make sure you guys aren't going to fall. Alright, and tools you're going to need pretty much are a good pair of side cuts, a screwdriver or a drill to screw in the hose attachments, and what else am I going to need? That's pretty much it. The reason you need these is to cut the hose, to run to each piece, and that's pretty much all you need. You can use a good pair of scissors or a razor knife even, which I also have one of those here somewhere. Yeah, got a razor knife with a new blade in it right here. I could use that, but I'm actually going to use these to cut my hose with. So without further ado, cue the music, and we're going to go to some fast track again. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, had to go charge a couple batteries because they were all dead, but I have everybody set up now. I have Mama Rat with her. They're just about weaned. She's set up in here now. Sugar's back there. She's about ready to explode. She's way in the back there. I don't know if you can see her fat little huge butt. She can give me babies in a day or two. I've gone ahead and cleaned that enclosure out. I cleaned all these out except for Mama here. Now we've got rats in every tub except for one. I got a male, 2 females. There. I got a male. And our twin girls right there. The twin little girls. Right there. Everybody's getting accustomed. I put my mama rat back with her little ones here. Make sure that they don't that they're able to eat and whatnot, because new thing, new enclosure, they might not be able to get up in there. I'm gonna put you up on top if you'll let me. There we go. Flip that, because I moved everybody to the very top here. There you go. That way the male up here wasn't alone. Now he's got some friends. Some friends. There we go. But now this tub here is completely empty. So there, I'm gonna keep that empty. That'll be for, I'm gonna go get a couple more females and bring them home and put them in there. And I'll move a male around here. It will probably be this big boy here. Hey you, yes, I know. This is Cinnamon right here. He's my good boy. Yes, I know. You're like, leave me alone. You're fine. There we go. But yeah, that'll be him. He'll get moved from this tub to this tub then. Once I get a couple females. The bottom tub will be for grow-ups. Maternity tubs. If I find a female pregnant, I'll probably move her over here. This little girl will get moved over to the racks here soon. She will get paired with Cinnamon. So she may be going in that empty tub there. So, we'll see. But I'm finally done with the rat rack build. It took me a long time to get it done. Everything's done. The plumbing's done on it. It works good. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna edit the crap out of this thing, make it shorter. So stay tuned. I got more videos coming. Feed video will be over on Patreon for this week. It's the week of the 16th. Today's the 16th, so I gotta go change the hell out of my car, get the puppies fed and settled, and I will see you all in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.